I have actually already issued an order to our regional offices as far as we are concerned in the DOT to, number one, take down any material that may bear my image. Number two, to not produce any material that may bear my image.
Ipinag-utos na ni Tourism Secretary Cristina Frasco ang pag-aalis ng anumang advertisement o campaign materials na nagtataglay ng kanyang mukha. Ito'y matapos siyang punahin ni Senator Raffy Tulfo sa pagdinig ng Senado kahapon. Kasabay nito, ipinagbabawal na rin niya ang paglikha pa ng panibagong materials na katulad nito.
I have not stolen a single peso of government funds. I have not committed a single act of corruption. All I have done is work. If I can appeal to the LGUs, please don't put up any tarps that bear my image. I will not be lesser for it because I'm not running anyway.
Pinaiimbestigahan na rin niya ang naturang issue. Kabilang sa mga ginawa niyang hakbang ang pagpapadala ng demand letters sa Philippine Topics Magazine upang ipaliwanag ang kanilang panig.
Neither I nor the Department of Tourism have given our consent or any funds whatsoever to the publication of the Philippine Topics Magazine, which elected on their own and by their own volition and editorial decision to use my image without my consent. I did not grant any interviews, nor were any interviews solicited by the DOT. I did not pay a single peso, nor was any single peso of government funds paid for this publication.
Sa kabila nito, ayon kay Secretary Frasco, hindi pa rin tumutugon ang naturang publication.
I must also point out that this matter was made issue of by a photographer that claimed that he was hired to take thousands of pictures by the DOT, only to be told that instead of destination shots, it would be my photo that should be used for the magazine. This photographer has since flip-flopped and retracted on this claim, which goes to show the falsity of the claim itself and really the truth of the situation. And that is that notwithstanding the fact that I had absolutely nothing to do with this magazine.
Apela pa ni Secretary Frasco na huwag gawing sentro ang isyu na ito dahil mas marami pa aniyang mas mahalagang bagay na dapat na pagtuunan ng pansin kaysa rito.
I will say it again with a clear conscience and with full confidence. I have no intention of running for any national position. Therefore, it makes absolutely no sense for me to promote myself.
Itinanggi rin at nilinaw ng kalihim na wala rin siyang kinalaman sa issue na umuugong na speakership sa Kamara ng kanyang asawa. Binigyang diin din ito, hindi tumatakbo ang kanyang asawa kundi sumusuporta lamang sa kasalukuyang House Speaker mula pa noong unang araw. Mia Alonso, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.